Kublai pi barosh ka tup khubor jungi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Tingini phashosh ki mat ki bakongsan. Yasoi soskular ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Society bat katanat khai pateng bat karkhana ka sorkar pedeng. Hinyawngon na ka science bat prangon na ka commerce ra ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong. Pensngau dekat ka yeng dorbar Lok Sabha Umar Vincent Pala ya Menteri Rang Balu Karya Narendra Modi Perwan Rajing Suk Haki Jaga Kaput Kathan Chatei Lammi Ni. Dan sepotili ki jing mentoy lada ka ketien khasi kan yo bandung hak kernet ka bapra joka riti sanchar kari India ongu Dr. R.P. Kachia. But ais ngobha ka Art of Living light tili ki oxygen concentrators but tiar sumar nongpang ya ka Jowai Civil Hospital. Tementang ini pais ki Khubor ki bakham banya. Ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Society minta kasi kalaya soy ka soskular bat katanat khai pateng bat karkhana jo ka sorkar pedeng. Hagani ka jingya soy soskular laya don langru Menteri Rangba Konrad ki sangma. Hakabede bat kani Menteri Rangba Konrad ki sangma ulaong bakani ka soskular ka long bay pisa hakikat tu kat ni ki jingya trekam ki ban kentiyo ka roy ka par bat ka jingyo ka jing bat ka yo ka kot jong ka jela. Menteri Rangba ulakren ya kani hadian balapan dia ka jingya soy soskular ha New Delhi. Kani ka jing bay pisa kan long na ka benta ban pen kiyo ka tre ka ta jong ki Rio Shimet hapok ka jela. Ki jing tre ki bahak mat do ki long am tang ban pen ya yo yu shin rai la ka dong henry bakin nong rep ru kin yo bandi ha ki dor ka bakin kam im. Ki wei pat ki jing tre ki long ka jing pen roya ka jing ri nyang rendia ka jing rep sotrun batit.
Would be, and obviously that in a situation where we are, it cannot just happen in an organic kind of a manner. It has to be done in a different
on the ease of doing business and several other initiatives to bolster the industry and enterprise in the country. So on your behalf, express gratitude to them for having acceptation. So we accord a warm welcome to you, and then we have with us Mr. D.P. Barla, engineering West India, which is a government media agency set up.
Hausnam balala barok ki school ki college but kiwe ki jaka puli ki lahap ban sange kinsan nakadaw bate lakam ya ka jing sapriang uknyang jungpang coronavirus. Hapreng kini ki jingkulmar nakaliang ki school ki college ki haban wad ki lat ki lenti ban yarap ki khna ban yaj khman ki jing puli jongki. Da ki jing start sayan bamenta lala ban pen long ki online classes but bon ki khna ki la persang but bon ki la yo jing mentoiru. Napreng kini ki babon don pat kim la satya ban be ya gane ka perthai start perthai ramenta ban thie ki mobile phone ban pin biang ki online class hinrei wala kata kilayo ek jing job jaka jing 3 minute top ban khmi lenti than na ki kor sayan menta habreng ka jing bam tikna ki khna ki la hab ban pendabi ki examen ba phe jongki menta ka si live hutari unnai tung 8000 apoi la pen mi ek result jongki khna puli class 12 ha ka science but commerce. Nakaliang ka Don Bosco Media Network, layo ban keren ya ki katuk ani ki kena ki bala wanch kemat haki jing puli ki jongki. Tungin ya sngap, kumnu ki pen kre eladi ban poi syakatong ka ba ki poi menta.
Quite glad that I got this position, and it's all because of my teachers and my sister and my mother. Like, I'm quite glad that I got this position, and also there are several people who have helped me through this period, like financially, emotionally and socially. And one of them are my teachers. Most of them are my teachers, like Ms. Wantina, Ms. Atula, Sir Pavan Gupta and Sir Ramu Sharma, and also our principal. And also one more teacher who is my great motivator, Sir Kaushik Ray, and my brother, Sachit Bhaiya, and my relatives, Tinku Chachu and all. Like, I'm quite glad that because of them I have got this position. I'm quite glad that I got this position. My mom, she got ill on January, so I couldn't study very much this time. Otherwise, I could have got more 5th or 6th position. But I used to study around 7 hours a day. One message for all my juniors who will be giving their boards this year is that don't lose hope. Like, you can't do everything. Many challenges will come, but just focus on one thing and make that your target.
Actually, working hard does play a role in it, but at the same time, there are also students who have other difficulties, like they live in rural areas or they have a bad network, and that can also play a role in things. But at the end of the day, yes, working hard does play a big role in it. I think at the end of the day, it's important to just hope for the best, because no matter how bad it seems, it does work out in the end if you just keep on trying and not stopping, because stopping is the worst thing that you can do to yourself, actually. And I think it's just better to have people around you who are willing to support you and help you and who will not let you give up on yourself. That's just the best thing, really.
Layo ruban keren baru principal ke St. Anthony School, Father Anthony Karkongor, ibala penpai ke jing sngok kemen halor ke result babha, bala wan rat ki kena ke school da ke jing ya lang ki kena ki nong hikai, bat ki kme ki pa ki bala ai men siem ki kon ban kermen barbor ya ka babha.
Rat ke jing sngok bat ke jing kemen ke bakraw ke ni ke sni ha ka ba ringkat bat ki nong hikai be ki kena school, yo ya ke result jong ki science stream bat ki commerce stream. Mi dapat jismu yu blay nama day lemba jugu baula kurku gudro pedang geni gejing yo amat ya geni gejing ha gejing im jungi lemba klam rewat kataru ka skul jungi ngim sim ladu jingkermen rei na koi ke por la a jingkermen yaki bangin sim bat nginya le dakumwei pat ha ka ba yo ai geni kalat ban long school lo pat dakumwei te maki ngila kentu barbor ki knap ai kinoi kai bakim day ban concept a ya ke Singapore ya ke jingpuli putih ke jongki bat kila ko ongo bat kila pediang ya ke jing sedang jing ketu na ke school bat menta la dangi layo ya ke ni result babha hado ba new position na ke science but pra position na ki commerce kapen i ba na kalian jokin no hikai ru kila long serious kila shim kit kya bha ba na kalian joki na school jungi ru kila kit kya bha bat kunjur make it pa bla don kat asenda juki ban I mean CM ki jing play nga ya baro bat kam ta me ki kna ki bla ra ki brom ya ublay ya school ya make pa bat kino hikai ublay shibun ting I ku blay ki bok ki yang ni piru ba ki jing im jong pinan ni khmat pisnang kiyo ha ki ege ki bentak ba pi pin sa nang ya ha ki jing puli puti ba ki nuk ki kam ki jam ka pin nang ya le tu ublay don kat bat pi ublay shibun
Udukat ke yeng dorbar Lok Sabha Uma Vincent Pala uba mi khmadi ka Shillong Parliament constituency mentak sngi ula kentu yu menteri rang ba kari u Narendra Modi banwan rai ka jingsuk hakija ka khapo jong ka than chate lammi ngi hakshiti bula pha shu menteri rang ba do Uma Vincent Pala ula pentip shu menteri rang ba baki nongshong haki khapo jong ka Arunachal Pradesh Mizoram Nagaland ban Meghalaya mentak iem haka jingret mensiem bat ki jingbam shngai na ka daw jong ka jing ya ka ja khapot Uma Vincent ula pentip yo menteri rang ba bakini ki jingja bam sngotanat kilami hadien baka Assam kala senshar daka sarkar senrop balak lam khmat daka BJP Uma Vincent Pala ula kentu yo menteri rang ba kari yo Narendra Modi bu unshim khya ya kane ka kam bat pendep no yaki ha ka por babyang Don hadu shi potli gi jing mentoi baka jaj ban riu kala ban yo lada ka ktien khasi ka yo ban rong ka kernet ka bapra jong ka riti sanchar ka ri India ong Dr. RP Kharshieng hakane jing patai khubor u Dr. Kharshieng ula ong baka wei na ki jing mentoi bakraw ka bala ban yo na ka ne ka long baka jing itu jong ki wei pat ki jaj ban riu ya ka ktien khasi am tang kata an laru ban nang kampen kiyo shu ikaktien kasi la ong Dr. Kharshieng bat ban ran shu ba kane ka jing itu ikaktien kasi kan pli ya kalat ai kam ai jam jongki samla puli u Dr. Kharshieng ula beteng shu da ka ba ong baki dekot ka yeng dorbar parliament ki badi ki kasi kin la ban kren ka ktien la jong la da ki kwa
yo jaka ka krenet ka bapra jong ka riti sanchar ka ri India kin don shibun ki jing mentoi kipa on kedau kilongkum ni harum mo dengan kawai dan kawai mon batai ti kabaning kong hi kadai ka jingmun toy kalong ka jing itu ya ka jinglong kerpang om tang jong ka ktien henrei jong ka jai brew khasihi dayang ta ba haba im ka ktien kejai penrio. Kebaar pat ki tenat sorkar jong ka sorkar pedeng kin sadon kam ya ki nong penkelaktin lani ki bangila banong aktin nong way translator kumna ka Hindi sak khasi nang ta na aktin English sak aktin khasi ne na ka khasi sekwai pat kejai ktin te kani kan plilat kam tam e galat yo kam yo jam ya ki samla khasi ki bala nang start to kau ka sakawai pat ke jumun toy ke balai ka khasi kala bandong ka wai ni ke subject banyale e ke examen thongkam jong ka UPSC hakikam na du ke baret adu ke bahe kum IAS nang ta IFS IPS bat kui kikam kani ka penla ya ki samla khasi banle khamba ke jing khon kam jongki tak ada kijung toy mo teka basau pat koi ki samla ki bala pendep ya ka ME khasi kila banyo ya ka net examination kila banyo ele ha ka ktin khasi bat kitu ki pass ya ka net JRF kinyo bai bam ko bahe bah na ka bentaban puli ya ka PhD teka basan pat ki department khasi ki college bada ki school ba kinyo ya ka song pisa na ka sarkar pedeng na ka benta ki jingwat benya halo rektin kasi
Ka art of living kala ais ngo bhalai tili ki oxygen concentrators but kiwe ki tiar sumar nongpang bakan thobe ki oximeter thermometer but kiwe ya ka Jowai Civil Hospital yakini ki jing ais ngo bhala ai do president ka art of living upi toy but pediang ngo bha do medical superintendent jong ka Jowai Civil Hospital u Dr. R. Porman kani ka jing ais ngo bha kalong bayatan rong lang ya ka Jowai Civil Hospital ha ka jing ya khun bante la ka me ka jing sapriang jung khnyang jumpang corona u Dr. R. P. Porman ul apan pa ka jing sngongo ya ka te ka sngi
ni out of living kan ke din ya itu siapa itu out of living ja por bunai me du da kuwa ki case ke sang bakat ka tu ni mo I prophet ba ka mo ni ye ga le Tatini solari boy Angala to Europe. Rati by you the Pituta, do with the Ferginas and speak the Ferginas. Some boy in Payba, Europe. The Managa Yagali the kid there. So, I'm in only the sisterly organization, International Association of Human Bodies. So, donor company yang bonjat, itu dia pun orang English,
Habakranch kilap sai khubor uba sanbor ulapen I baki pulit baki palba Assam kia tililang banyadaya la ka Jakaputa habak phai Shaka Jilla Meghalaya kapau tingkren kumbai I haki social media dang hiki kini kindiat singi baki pulit ki ri shadien ki palba haka Jaka bantur shkhman banyadaya la ki brio ka jilla haka jo kapor ulakan tui ka sorkar bakamde bankut tang haka jingya kren hamit ki jingya di isha jingya bamja namarkan poi haju shi haju kala de kapor baka sorkar kan le ai banyada ya laki brio rajong wai nuksar ka baong baladau nong shon wan bantu na yeng jongi Lakade kaan ni klem kaan ngin hab ban yada kat bangila ya laka jong kayeng wat lada ngide ban ra de kitiar ro. Ula kentu ban kaliang ki bahe jong ka sarkar kide ban bu kambon ki pulut haki jaka kapot namar ki pulut ki don ban yada nakman ban re hadien ki pajba.
They love the identity. It really proved. Public and police together, they protect their people. And so this spirit should be there because we have to change here also, public and police also. If these people of Assam, they keep on harassing our people in the border area. So the time has arrived not only to talk in the table, take tea, finish, only take tea. It ends there only. We have to react. We have to act at the spot only. Violence you have to protect. If the enemy comes to your house and attack you and your wife and children, so you have to you also have to attack, self-defend. The same thing. It should be done in our border also. Legal or not legal, if enemy comes to your house to steal or to rob your house, you have to protect yourself. Whether it's legal or illegal, but you have to protect. I'm not saying this is an example that we should have a spirit to protect our people. We have to utilize our force. The police are there. We have to utilize our force to protect our people. The police should go in the front to talk with the Assam police, like what we have seen regularly from time to time. The police are behind and the civilians are in the front. So the higher ups also, they should give the order that the police should be in the front to protect this line of control. They should not cross the line of control. And yes, this to bring it to the negotiation in the form of meeting also, it is necessary. What was happening, so both the leaders of the state, both the government from Assam and Meghalaya also, for this long pending issue again and again we have to sit.
Habakran halor kajing pentre kam ka Assam ka Cattle Prevention Act ubasan bor shulai ulaong babon kis ngotu bakla bale se kade ka bot jong ka BJP ban khang ban bam do masi ha ka jilla hindrai ulai thu bakam don AA kum kata.
Kaya inulihang ni kadiga state ko bam do masi ni. Dun we so thu bakla ba le si le ga sokar BJP ka ban khang ban yung anali kum BJP amali le ta kum ya ta issue ngala ada penfre awak ngah abli choy mentor baga masih le de bentuk caca ne le ben bam aja ka jong do blang do ser bam bahar do masih encourage people to eat more beef than chicken and mutton and fish.
Why?
That you see that wrong information in the mind of the people that the BJPs will impose this cow slaughter. I have prepared on this. So legally I'll study, then if required I'll meet Mantaji also to discuss that the supply of cattle or beef to our state should not be affected. Everybody are free to eat. You will see in other Northeast state, snake also they eat. What is that? Tortoise also they eat, crab also they eat, scorpion also they eat. There is no restriction that you cannot eat this and that. Dog also they eat. They are eating.
Madaki di Khubor ngila po shibukot tat hadu bangin Shambang Khublai Shibon.